Alright, welcome back to the Root BSD Technology channel. Here at the Root BSD Technology channel, we love free and open source software, and we are right now using OpenBSD 7.0 beta, or the current branch. Now today we are going to learn how to make Doas Insults, and we're going to even take it one step further. We're going to have it make a fart noise every time we get our password wrong. Yeah, it's pretty exciting. So first, and also you're going to learn how to download and set up the ports tree and how to access that properly. We're going to go all over that. I'm sorry, not the ports tree, the source tree. The source tree. Okay. Let's go. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to get the source tree. So we go to anonymous CVS at openbsd.org. All right. Let's make this bigger. No. All right. Get the initial tree. Now it says that the following commands assume that your user is a member of the W source group. Let's see here. So we'll get that out of this section here of the OpenBSD frequently asked questions, building the system from source. So we'll just look up right here, WSRC. Okay, right here. Fetching the source code. Avoiding root privileges. Avoid running CVS as root. The user source directory where your source will typically go is writable by the W source group by default. So add users that need to use the CVS. You need to use CVS to that group. So here we go. We're gonna add me to the W source group, or WSRC. So now, I also want to preface that I've only been able to get this to work in the corn shell. I'm trying to figure out how to get it to work in Fish and ZHS, but I'll have to post those later on. But this right now only works in the corn shell, and you need to make sure that if you're using like XFCE terminal, that it says it right here. Run command as login shell. Run a custom command instead of my shell KSH. Okay. That's what I had to do, either that or use Xterm, the native X terminal for OpenBSD. Okay. So we're going to cd user and user mod -g example user. There we go. So first we need to do this as Doas user mod -g W source glitch. Alright. Unfortunately, this change takes effect with the example user's next login. So we're going to log back out and log back in and continue the show. Alright, we're back. So we logged back into my system, and I tried to pull the source tree and I couldn't understand what was going on, so I think what we're going to do is we're going to try other Anon servers. I think the Anon server that I'm trying is down. So, and I wanted to make sure that it was not on my end, so that's why I tested SSH. But hey, check it out, look. It's, alright, I don't have HTTP. It's my Pine phone. I'm in OpenBSD, and I SSH into my Pine phone. Pretty cool. Alright. That's not the important thing right now. Alright, so we're going to try this alternate CVS route. This one is in New York, a little closer to me. Let's check this out. This one, oh, there we go. We're in. We're in. Yes. And there we go. We are getting source files to the computer, and I am going to speed this up. Let's make it look nice, and we'll get right back with you. Alright, we are done. So, next step is there we go. The next step is to follow this guide here. Let's just do this. Yeah, that's much better. Alright, Doas Insults. This was written by Joe E. Oh, I think his name is Joe. Obtaining the insults. So first what we're going to do is we're going to go to User Source Games, Fortune, and Strive file. CD Source, Games, Fortune, and then print working directory, we're there. Let's go to CD Strive file. Okay. Make. Cool, we made the file, ls-f. There we go, there's our file. That little asterisk right there means that it's an executable. Alright, and then what we're going to do is we're going to create a theo.dat file. Now actually I have a customized one, special for you guys. This one right here is not only is it Theodorat insults, it's Shakespearean insults, like thou saucy pox-mocked mammet, thy tongue outvenoms all the worms of the Nile. Were I like thee, I'd throw away myself. Oh, were I like thee, I'd throw away myself. Okay, we're done. Okay, so we're going to use this file instead. So we're going to, yeah. You know what? We're going to use vi theo.dat. I think that's what we want, a .dat file. No, we're just going to call it theo. Okay. Now let's select all. Okay. Select all. Aha! I figured it out. No. You know, I feel like I'd be more comfortable doing this with MG. Sorry. Unsafe paste. Alright, let's try it. Well, I did it. Paste it into VI. Oh, and just to show Joshua, because he said that VI didn't have numbers, just want to show him real quick. It's like, yo, bro, we actually do have numbers. Oh, escape. Next. Okay. Set number. Boom, look at that. Line numbers. Oh, yeah. I like that. And I can type GG. No. Okay. G is not a V command. What about G? Well, G is a V command. So GG is not a V command? That's what I'm used to. Okay. We'll figure that out. So, escape, right click. Alright, good VI session, boys. F11. Okay. So, we won't need that anymore. So we're going to go back to this guide right here. So we're going to use this binary called str file. Str file theo.dat. It's right here. str file theo.dat. Alright, theo.dat was created. Now we're gonna follow these commands. There's really annoying commands because they're long. cp theo dat user share games portion my super secret password. Okay, and then what was that? Not what we wanted. Another window. Did I crash that thing? I think I did. Stoopy. Jeez. User. What was it last time? Oh. It's user share games. Fortune. Stir file? Okay. Oh, it's theo.dat. Okay. So we need to do as chmod. I think I crashed the terminal. I don't know what I did. Those things happen sometimes. Share games fortune theo. Okay, I literally cannot type. I don't know what it is. I think probably because it's like really early. .dat. There we go. Super secret password. Invalid file mode. Oh, of course, because I can't see because I'm trying to do this. Let me reorient this. Much better. I should have did this in the beginning. I think I mentioned this in my first video, or I mean my first set of videos, that this was a much better way to do this. Alright. So we want the -w, user share bin theo.dat. Okay. Cool, and then we want to do as change group bin. We're going to change this to the bin group. User share games fortune theo. Alright, dat. There we go. Okay. I think we're all good to go. Try it out. Alright, fortune theo. Oh yeah, because we need to be in the corn shell. So let's xfce /terminal. Not equal sign. There we go. Alright. Fortune theo. Haha. Alright. So, if we look at our mg-n, let's do I'm going to alias that -n. I just do that because it creates these like backup and log files. I still need that. I don't know, maybe I'll find those useful in the future, I don't know. So, let's see, mg-n, what we're going to do is look at our .ksa. I'm going to show you the so first off, you're going to need a .profile, so that it points to your .ksh right here. And then what you're going to need, and then I'm going to show you this the .corn shell rc, the ksh rc, and this is that script. But what I did is I added this this one right here. Actually, this is old. Delete that real quick. Glitch is what you want. So what this is going to do, this command right here, fortune doas and awcat -I home glitch fart.wave. So when I get the password wrong, not only is it going to insult me, it's going to make that a nice loud, just a rip roaring fart. All right, let's try it out. Let's test it. Oh yes. Ready? Do as oh, here, let's clear the screen so you can see. Do as package add wine. Let's add wine, even though it doesn't exist. Enter. Don't know my password. Here we go. Ah, it's not working. What did I do wrong? We'll figure this out. Just share fortune do as no such file or directory. Oh. Figured it out. Okay, I figured it out. I named that Theo. I'm using an old file from a backup from an older install. Sorry. I didn't think about changing all those names out. Alright, let's try this again. Do as package add. We're going to install Apple. Nope, still not working. What did I do wrong? Oh, because I have to restart this whole thing. Hold on. There we go. Do as blah, blah, blah. Nope, still not working. Ah, there we go. John not found. Oh, I know why we're not hearing it. My speaker's off. Alright, so this one actually will give you 3 chances to get it right. So, we'll clear the screen, make it big. Okay, we finally did this. Alright, here we go. Do as package add -u. Bleh. Oh, sorry. Authentication failed. Yeah, one more time. Oh, come on. That's how loud you are? I don't know if you heard that. I do not agree with those assessments. Authentication failed. Ah, oh, sorry you lost me. Let's try it again. Rest deleted. I don't know what that means. These are those Theo roasts. Try this again. You're on your own. Okay. This is another offer which will be rejected. Okay. Perhaps. This is awesome. Can you read the Can you not read the prompt? I cannot. I'm trying to generate one of the Shakespearean ones. You are on your own. Okay, it doesn't want to do that for me right now. One more time and I'll stop. No, you have it wrong. Go back to reading school. Okay, so we got it. Insulting us, and we have it making that fart noise. You can put any noise you want in there. Maybe you can put a noise of like a, like that bell in the game show or whatever. But anyway, so that's how you do this. If you are interested in doing setting this up in sudo, I can definitely try to do that. And I'm also going to try to get this working in Fish Shell and in ZSH. So that's it. Hope you have a great day, and hope you learned something. Bye.